Is Shopify good for small business? In this video, yes, Shopify, it is the best website that you can use for small businesses, to create their own online e-commerce stores or Shopify store or dropshipping store, guys, okay? As you can see that I have an access to the Shopify. But first of all, if you want to get an access to the Shopify 30 days free trial, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can get access with Shopify. Now, let me show you how to add products here on Shopify. When you click here to products, you can add your own products. Not only that, you can also import existing products here on Shopify. Those are the things that you can do here on Shopify. So now let me show you how to add your own product here on Shopify. I'm just gonna click here to add a product, and then what you need to do here, guys, okay, under title on Shopify, you have to write the product title here on Shopify, and then after writing the product title, you have to go to the description. You write the product description about what the product is all about. But I like to use this AI feature from Shopify, which allows me to write this AI is going to write a content description for me automatically. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to put some keywords here, and what's going to happen now, this AI tool is going to write product description for me automatically. I'm just going to click here to write. As you can see that in just a few seconds, this AI tool, it is done writing product description for me. I'm just going to click to keep it, and then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go here to media. Under media, you have to select an image of the product here, guys, okay, so that people, so that your customers, they will have an idea on what your product is, and then you're going to go to category. Under category, you have to choose the product category, which falls under which category the product that you are selling on Shopify, and then I'm just going to select this category. I'm going to go to pricing. Under pricing, you have to put the price of the product that you want to sell on Shopify, and then you're going to go to cost per item, meaning that how much it is costing you to purchase this product to your supplier, maybe on AliExpress, Zendrop, those are the suppliers. It's going to show you the profit that you'll be making and also the margins that you'll be earning, guys. As you can see, it is so easy to add your own products here on Shopify, okay? Now, what you need to do now, you can just save this, it's going to be saved. You save this. This is how you can save your own products on Shopify, or how to add your own products on Shopify, okay? Then you go to collections. Under collections on Shopify, it's going to show you the collections that you have on Shopify. All of those things, you can see them here under collections, guys. But for me, I have just one collections, but this is a test account. I have my own store on Shopify. So now you're going to go to customers. Under customers, you'll see the customers who purchased from you in the past, You'll see them here under customers. You can also import existing customers. If you have a database of customers, you can also import them here on Shopify. You can also go to analytics. And analytics, you can see on how your store it is performing, you can able to check the total sales that you got today, yesterday, the last month, all of those guys. You can do some customization here, change some filters here to check how your store it is performing, You can also check the online store conversion rate on how your store it is performing, Then you can also check the total orders that you have in your store. You can also check the average order value. You can also check the top selling products. If you are selling multiple products on Shopify, you can also check the top selling products on Shopify. You can also check the sales attributed to marketing. You can also check the returning customer rate on Shopify, okay? When you go to marketing on Shopify, this feature is going to help you to do email marketing, to do email follow-up, so that you can sell multiple products in your customers, guys, so you can get more orders through email, guys, okay? Then you can also offer some discounts, 25% off. People, they love discounts, guys. When you offer discounts, you want to increase the number of orders in your store, okay? Then you can also go to online stores. online store, Shopify is gonna give you these themes, these done for you themes, guys, okay, that you can use in your Shopify account, guys. Okay, take a look at this. If you're in a beauty niche, or clothing niche, you can just add them straight into your Shopify store, guys. Okay, that is it, guys. If you want to get access to Shopify, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can able to get started for free using Shopify, guys. Take care and God bless you. Good luck, shop.